So welcome back guys to another video. So today in this video, as you have read from the thumbnail and title, today we're going to make our own DIY stylus in your home, which will take you only 1 minute to make. So as you have already seen the capability of this homemade stylus just now, little gameplays of it, but we will talk more about it and you will see more how it works and how to work it, how to make it in just 1 minute. So let's get into the video. So the materials that you needed are a scissor, an empty ball pen, and conducting copper wire, earbud, or you may also use cotton, a tape, and two hands to make this. So take an empty ball pen and an earbud. So just plugged out the cotton from the earbud and bring a ball of water. So take that small cotton and just soaked it in the water and try to compress it through, just move rubbing your fingers until it just fits to the ball pen. Okay, so this much is good. You don't have to make it too tight or too loose. So yeah, let's just plug it in and let's just bring our copper wire. So just what you need to do is just bend it in such a way just as to fit in that small nib. Okay, let's like this. You have to be a little bit careful for in doing this, because while you are doing this cotton might also get inside, which might be difficult to pull out. So yeah, just do it slowly and just tape at the end of it. Don't tape it whole, because I will tell you why, but just tape at the end. Okay, take scissors and just try to make it small and good nib of the pen. So just open any drawing application or any way you can draw. So this is the eye that I have drawn from that, but from this pencil. So just keep on touching the copper wire. I don't know, I think it's maybe because of the electrical energy emitting from our body. I don't know, just google it, but just keep in mind you have to just keep in touch, keep your fingers in touch with the copper wire, otherwise it won't work. So as you can see, it's perfectly working. Like, let's make a circle from this. Let's make a circle. Okay, you can see how smooth this works, and I was also too amazed, like, whoa, it's so smooth, and like I was too shocked too. So it works perfectly, and like I'm not lying, it's as you can see in the screen. And just, yeah, you can just make it in 1 minute, and yeah, you will go, you don't have to spend too much money. But if you want to like draw professionally and want to like draw neatly, but yeah, it is not for that drawing neatly, but you can somehow draw like you have just seen my eye drawing. If I just color it, I think it would be good. But yeah, you just have to be patient from this, because like it's not that good presence sensibility level or whatever thing that you get in this digital original pen. But as you can see, it's working good. Like, yeah, you can definitely work or make a good piece through this. So now the rest of the video is just me testing different stuffs through this pen. So if you're interested, watch till the end and follow me in Instagram. Link will be in the description. Thank you for watching, and comment down below how was it and did it work or not. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.